Hey guys, what's going on? So today I have kind of something different. It's DIY. I'm just gonna show you something. It's gonna be really quick, so I'm just gonna get right to it. One time like this, I'll just put this, stand up. Once I'm like this, it moves around. Once I'm close to it. And stuck together. So that's kind of all I wanted to show you. And I have, and also I'm going to, before I stop this video, I'm going to be doing one more thing I think to show you. That's there. So I split them up into, I made this into two, then I stick it together like that, and I did that. Now once I go like this, then I go back down. Now I have two parts. 1, 2. Once I go like this really quickly. Down. No, I did it all wrong. Nope. 1, 2, stick together. Then I have another 4 like this. Now go like this. Now I have to get back to it. 2 4s. Now once I go like this, it just makes it a perfect square. I didn't do it. I knew diagonal, so that's all I wanted to do. And I will. Wait, actually, no, I want to do this one more time because this is so fun. Now I have a square stuck in so that's all I want to show you. These are called, I forget what they're called, but my cousin gave me these. Delilah gave me these, and yeah, my cousin, she is the one that showed me how to do these. She did also another video of these, which that's all I want to show you. And be sure to leave a like, subscribe, leave a comment in the comment box down below, and I will see you again next time. Bye!